Hello, my name is Sterling Hoffman. I'm the owner and head jeweler here at Stoneforge Studios. 2022 has been a year full of many milestones and accomplishments for our small business. As a business, we are always striving to improve upon the things that we do here in the shop and ways to improve our business so that you as the consumer can receive the best quality product. I'd like to share with you some of those accomplishments from this past year. This year, we completed some much needed shop improvements that are going to help with the flow and the design of our products. Improvements that include adding more shop and office space that's going to improve the flow of our designs and the flow of our manufacturing process so that you can get the best ring and product that you deserve. We also purchased some new innovative machines to assist in the manufacturing of your rings. New 3D printers to be able to print your ring models before we cast them in gold or silver. We also purchased a high-end casting machine that's going to allow us to cast a lot of your gold and silver rings here in-house versus sending them out to a third-party casting house and having to wait many weeks for them to come back to us. This is going to cut down a lot on our lead times and help us so that we can be more efficient in creating your products. As part of our social media outreach, we have been a lot more proactive on Facebook and Instagram, and we even started our own TikTok this year. This is so you can get a glimpse into the behind the scenes of what we do here at Stoneforge Studios. If by chance you see a pair of dirty hands working on some jewelry or working on gold or setting diamonds, chances are they're mine. Another huge milestone from the 2020 year is we purchased the largest diamond in Stoneforge Studios history, a diamond worth over $60,000. This is a huge milestone and accomplishment for us, and it's going to open many doors to allow us to incorporate gemstones of this caliber into our future product line. Now that 2022 is behind us, 2023 is going to be a year full of new possibilities. In a few short weeks, after gorging ourselves on holiday food and treats, we're going to start anew. Just as many of you are going to be making New Year's resolutions, we as a business have some resolutions and goals as well. Let me share some of those with you. We plan to offer even more engagement ring designs with new gemstone mountings. Rings that will for sure turn heads, be great conversation starters, and stand out in a crowd. We are primarily a ring manufacturing company, but as jewelers, we are capable of so much more. We plan to roll out many more product offerings such as pendants and bracelets, but obviously with our own personal Stoneforge Studios touch. We plan to incorporate some of those materials that are unique to Stoneforge Studios, such as meteorite, wood, guitar strings, dinosaur bone, etc. We also plan on incorporating more hand engraving and hand sculpted scroll work in those products. In short, we want to thank you for such a wonderful year. We really couldn't have done it without you. Stay tuned for the great changes that are coming with Stoneforge Studios. We'll see you next year. Happy holiday to you and yours from the Stoneforge Studios family.